Dozens of NHS patients have waited more than 3 years for hospital care in England. Among 69 trusts that responded to Freedom of Information requests from PA News Agency, more than 90 patients had been waiting for at least 3 years. At least 8 have been on the NHS waiting list for over 4 years, showing the shocking scale of the NHS backlog. More than a quarter of the longest waiters need trauma and orthopaedic care, such as hip and knee replacements. Many of these patients are likely to be in pain or discomfort as they wait to find out when they will be seen by a hospital specialist. 49-year-old Jo Golding, a civil engineer from Warwickshire, has been waiting for several surgeries for years. She's been waiting for elbow replacements for nearly 4 years after being referred in 2018.
When I say it's all-encompassing, it literally is every aspect of your life it affects. Work, I've had to become a home worker permanently at the moment because there's just no way that I could manage to be in an office.
Golding said, because of the long wait, her operation had to be more complex, with a long recovery. She said her social life and confidence in doing everyday tasks were also affected. Even her young kids felt the impact.
My little boy panics when he's away from me because he worries about me because he's seen me in pain for such a long time. And I'm not like the other mummies. And my daughter, finding my daughter crying because she saw me upset.
The latest official figures from NHS England show that nearly 24,000 people in England were waiting more than 2 years to start routine hospital treatment at the end of January, about 8 times more than in April 2021.
People need help. We need help. We need to be understood. We need to be listened to. And we need to be seen as people and not as a joint or joints.
NHS leaders said they are doing all they can to dig into the backlogs, but efforts have been hampered by pressures on the emergency care system, COVID cases and high rates of staff absences on top of severe workforce shortages. Some trusts said the backlog of patients waiting for 2 years or more had fallen significantly since January. Joanne Robson, NTD News.